Morning. Let's listen to the story of Peter and the cat. Are you ready? So, 1, 2, 3 is story time for you and me. Open your eyes, open your ears, and pay attention. Once upon a time, once upon a time, once upon a time, Peter was in his bedroom playing video games. Pew pew, pew pew, pew pew. I'm playing video games. I'm playing video games. I'm playing video games. Meanwhile, Mommy was in the kitchen preparing dinner. Tap 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 tap. And Mommy said, Peter, Peter, dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. And Peter said, okay, Mommy, okay, Mommy. But Peter forget it. So Peter take the ball. Boing, 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 boing. I'm playing with the ball. I'm playing with the ball. I'm playing with the ball. And Mommy continued in the kitchen. And Mommy started to get a bit nervous and said, Peter, 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 dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. And Peter said, okay, Mommy, okay, Mommy, okay, Mommy. But Peter forgot it. So Peter take the doll. I'm playing with my doll. I'm playing with my doll. I'm playing with my doll. And Mommy, oh Mommy, Mommy started to get very angry and Mommy said, Peter, 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 dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. Come on, Peter. And Peter said, oh my God, sorry, Mommy. Sorry, Mommy. Sorry, Mommy. So Peter went out from his bedroom and went to the kitchen. But first, Mommy said, Peter, show me your hands. When Peter showed the hands, Mommy said, oh my God, what a dirty hands. Please go to the bathroom and wash your hands. So Peter sang the song of the dirty hands. Look at my dirty hands, dirty hands, dirty hands. Look at my dirty hands, yak, yak, yak. Now I wash my hands, wash my hands, wash my hands. Now I wash my hands, clean, clean, clean. So when Peter finished, Mommy said, show me your hands. Show me your hands. When Peter showed the hands, Mommy said, okay, Peter, now they are clean. So Peter, the soup, the soup, the soup. And Peter, when saw the soup, says, yummy. I like soup. I like soup. I like soup. Soup, 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 soup. Then Mommy brought the second plate. Peter, the fish. Peter, the fish. And Peter said, oh yuck. Oh yuck. I don't like fish. I don't like fish. I don't like fish. And Mommy said, Peter, eat all the fish. Eat all the fish. Eat all the fish. When Mommy went out, Peter thought and said, an idea. An idea. An idea. The cat. The cat. So Peter called the cat. Cat, cat, cat. I've got fish. I've got fish. I've got fish. And the cat came. Meow, meow, meow. And the cat ate the fish. So the fish was over. And when Mommy came back and saw the plate that was empty, Mommy said to Peter, Peter, who ate the fish? Peter or the cat? Peter or the cat? So what about you, boys and girls? Who ate the fish? Patrick or the cat?